How to fix Instagram app not working problem. So the very first step is to open your settings and then go to general right here, click on iPhone storage and scroll down until you can see Instagram. So if you are having a hard time looking for Instagram, you may click on the search bar right here found on the upper right corner and type in Instagram. Once you have typed in Instagram, click on it, and then there are actually two options that you can choose. You may choose to offload the app, or you may also delete the app and then reinstall it once again. So I would suggest first that you would offload the app, so click on it and click on offload, and then reinstall it back. If the problem still continues, then you may delete the app and then go to your app store, search for Instagram, and then you should be able to install your Instagram once again. And then, if the problem still continues, what I would suggest is to make sure that your Instagram app is always updated. So you may go to App Store once again, search for Instagram, click on the Instagram, and then make sure to click on Update, which can be seen on this section right here. So that's it. That's how you can fix Instagram app not working problem.
So that's all for this video. Let me know in the comments section if this works out for you. For more helpful tutorials like this, please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to click that notification bell. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day.